guys. You are coming my family.
Hey family.
Hey family.
Welcome
To
my YouTube channel.
my YouTube channel.
My real name
is
unaitwa nani?
Yaya.
It's Yaya. Yenye unatumia YouTube. Yaya
Lifestyle.
Yaya Lifestyle. Yaya Lifestyle. Kindly subscribe. Like, share and comment. Today is a special day. We having a heavy lunch, which huyu ni mamako, which my mother prepare to us. So I am going to show you everything here.
Everything here.
This is my mom. Onyeshana kwa watu. This is my mom. She can say hello to people.
Say hello to people.
Sema hello.
Hello.
This is Dancing Granny. Wambia this is Dancing Granny Lifestyle.
Yeah, this is
Dancing Granny Lifestyle.
Lifestyle.
Wacha kucheka jamani, ndio mambo hayo.
Okay.
Dancing Granny Lifestyle.
That is it.
Jamani. Enjoy. Kaeni mshike vijiko nani?
So yeah.
You good? Nani ana kijiko?
When I see you
Yeah, so okay. Njoo. Yeah, say that. Now I am going to show you my husband and my kid.
Okay.
Now I am going to show you my husband and my kid.
This is food.
And sasa onyeshana.
I say let me have a bite.
Okay. Yeah.
Nani ana kijiko?
Okay, ongea useme this is my husband.
This is my husband.
His name?
Zakaria.
Say hello.
Hello. I'm good.
You are good?
As enjoy.
You are enjoy. With rice and the beans here. Wow.
Very good.
Pole. Just slow. Okay? Yeah, this is Mwita for you. Mwita, say hi to Yaya YouTube channel.
Hi,
Kwa Yaya, hili channel ya Yaya.
Mwita, njoka hapa Mwita. Njoka hapa.
Okay, Yaya njoo kule kwanza. Onyeshane watu hata vile Afrika tunakula. Keti pale, sawa? Hii ni video yako. Yeah, I told to her that this is her video.
Mimi yangu nafuata, sasa ni wanaume.
Oh, naenda kukulia wapi?
Mama wanakaa jikoni yani hawakai.
Ndo hawa sasa. Yeah. This is the food for.
Naomba geuza hiyo ndoo.
For Yaya and mom to Yaya.
Yeah.
Yes.
Bro, have a bite. That and family.
Wow. Yeah, guys, they enjoy. Yeah. Spoon. You said that I am looking spoon. Okay.
Mama nisaidie vijiko hapa jamani.
Naomba chukua. Jamani simkae mle na huyu mbona ajala?
Yeah. Narekodia kwanza Yaya.
Narekodia Sara.
Sara.
Yes.
Hapa takula hicho.
Yeah. Tell two people that. So guys, now I am going to show you how we eat. Beans and rice. Show them how you eat beans and rice. Waonyeshe vile unakula. Show them. Usiogope sawa. Show them. Okay. So the reason why she put this hand, we don't like some food to be wasted. Okay, that's why. This is how life is. Okay.
Let me eat it, Yaya.
Yaya is full. Okay. Yeah, so waambie, thank you so much for watching.
Thank you so much for watching.
See you
See you
next time.
next time.
Don't forget
Don't forget
to subscribe,
subscribe,
like,
like,
share,
share,
and
and
comment.
comment.
Get me to get,
Help
help me to get,
me to get,
or push me to get
or push me to get
1,000 subscribers.
1,000
Subscribers.
subscribers.
Yeah, guys. That is it. This is Yaya YouTube channel, guys.
Kula basi.
Behind the camera, it was me, Chris Madiba. You can check me out. And in case you come to my site, you just go to Yaya Lifestyle. Like, share, and comment. If you come to Yaya Lifestyle channel, you just show me love, okay? Yeah, this is her first YouTube, her first video on YouTube, okay? Yeah, so we hope next time wanna see what wanna do next time. One love, bye bye, see you.